What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and well, this is the Wona hair clipper. So let's get it unboxed first. It's got titanium ceramic blades, 9 guide combs, 2000 milliamp hour lithium battery, and 5 length adjustment from 0.8 to 2 meter with a low vibration and ultra quiet design. So let's jump in. Let's take a look at them. Now obviously for the likes of myself, I normally go with the ball clippers or maybe the Remington now and again. Comes in a pretty nice case. It's nice and hard lined, so it's even got a little handle on the top. Hermit shell it's got on the top there, but let's unzip it. Okay, so you've got some of your guide combs in this side just here. You got some oil for the clippers, but I've got some wall stuff, so I won't use them. Comes with your normal power supply with the sort of mini figure 8 lead on the bottom. So that's to one side. Then you got more guide combs in here. You've got an actual comb, as well as some very heavy and very sharp as well hairdressing scissors, which comes in this nice pouch, but that's a nice look. So nothing further in here. You got thank you for your purchase. I didn't actually purchase these, Wona did send these out, so there's a full disclaimer right there, and this is obviously the user manual, but I'm sure we all know how to operate set clippers. So this is the hair clipper itself. It's got a nice weight to it. It's got a turn wheel. Let's get it out of that, that's a bit too early for me. Now I know not one of my normal videos this, but at the end of the day the company reached out, and obviously I do shave my hair, which obviously you guys know if you watch the videos. You know that I've constantly got a shaved head. When they were like, do you want to take a look at these, I was like, absolutely, send them out and we'll take a good look at them and we'll actually see whether they're any good. So that's what they sound like. Now it's not so quiet, but to be honest with you, that is actually quieter than the wall ones. Now on the bottom you've got where your adapter goes, and you've got an off and on. So that just comes off, I don't know why. Well, never mind, there we go, maybe for cleaning. Let's see how good they are, because I'm actually going to cut my hair right now. Right, okay, so they've cut pretty well. I mean, almost better than the wall ones, to be honest. They've gone a bit deeper in. But now I've cleaned them, they're all nice and shiny again, ready for the next use. Let me know if this is something you want to see on the channel. I know this is something that I normally don't feature, but maybe we can go for tech that I receive in the mail. So let me know if you want me to make a feature out of this. Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to order one of these for yourself, I'll leave it linked in the description down below. This is pretty good. I'm sure the attachments work well too, but obviously I don't use them because I like to go as far down as I possibly can without shaving it all off completely. Thanks so much for watching, I truly appreciate it. I know not me normal video, and normal videos will return soon. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take it easy, everyone. I'll see you all soon.